See, the purple is just for color. It's very on brand, I could say that. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Lynn, and in this video I'm going to be doing a review on Black Panther edge control. Like, I just love this. Now, I came across this edge control last year when I was at the Natural Hair show, which happens in April every year. Didn't happen this year because of you know who, but I did come across them when I was at the Natural Hair show last year with my 1-2 inches of hair on my head, and it really caught my attention. I was like, Black Panther edge control, and I was like, you know what, I'm going to check them out. And here I am a year later. I did purchase them. Also, this product has different types of edge control. Like, it's now most people just have edge control. They have like edge control, then they have like a super hold, and then they have like, they have so much stuff. So I'm going to be trying out. All right, so the edge control I'm trying out is the 24 hold for braid, edges, locks, and twist controller. So it's multi-use, and it says Black Panther strong. Okay, so see it. All right, so in my order, 2 of them came, and you see they're nice and small. So let me put my hair up in a little bun so y'all can see better. Okay, so my hair is now in a little bun. So the product is purple. Let me use my other one. Okay, so it's purple. You know, just like any edge control, as you can see. So it's purple, it dries clear. So I'm going to use this little brush that I got from Cream of Nature, and I'm going to get closer. So, ooh, look at that my dress. So I'm going to, it smells like the Shine Jam, the styling gel. So we're going to, also when I do my buns, I don't really like grease it and stuff. Damn, my light back there went off. Ooh. Okay, see how it's just, it ain't going nowhere. Oh, hold on. So, shoot, I can use these to slick my ponytails up. Hold on. Ooh. You know, I always wanted to do those little swoops that most people do when they be doing their little buns, when they be slicking their edges down. Okay, you see that? The question is it gonna last though? That's my only concern. It's gonna last. I would definitely use this as a styling gel for braids. You get that neat. Dang, I wish I had an edge control brush or like a toothbrush, because I know that it would definitely be more slicker than that. But it does smell like the styling gels, and it does. See, the purple is just for color. It's very on brand, I can say that, with the purple. But I want to use it as an edge control for me. I mostly use it as a styling product. My light keep, but See how nice that looks? Okay, okay. And it's not hard. The smell fade, like it's not hard, the smell. So I would definitely, I might as well just do like the whole front of my head with this and just call it a day. But it's not hard, and my hair is still soft. I know that if I were to tie my hair down, oh, it would be popping. Switch brushes. It would definitely be popping if I were to scarf it up. I'll probably scarf it up and then show what it looks like after it's been scarfed up. I don't want to mess up my ponytail. But look at that. And I'm not really pulling my hair back either. Okay, I see you. So it says it doesn't flake, it's non-greasy. Vibranium Strength Pomade, excellent for daily edge control. Sculpt, smoothen, and define your edges. Hold edges while conditioning and stimulating growth. So it has benefits, and we need edge control. It has benefits. So the brand is called Diamond Edges, and this is one of their products, which is the Black Panther Strong Edge Control. I know they have edge control braid tamers that are stronger than this, but I think this is good for me. This is good for me. Okay, so I went back and brushed it up with a toothbrush, old school way, and this is how my hair came out. I will mostly use it as a styling gel instead of an edge control. It looks nice. Listen, I'm rooting for everyone that's black anyway. So to be honest, this looks real nice. Yeah, I'm capping. I might actually use this as an edge control. So I can use it as an edge control, and I can use it as a styling gel. But it looks nice. I tied it down, so this is after being tied down for a couple of minutes. I like this. I like this. I really do like this. There's nothing bad to say. I know that I probably need the one that has, because it's just Black Panther Strong. I know they have an edge control that holds a little bit more, so I probably need that one. If I do decide to use it as an edge control, if anything, I will most likely will use it as a styling gel. The smell does not last. The purple is very on brand, and it dries clear. It's not greasy. My hair is smooth and it's still soft. Like I can, well, I don't want to mess it up, but you know, I can, and then put it back together, and there's no flaking, there's none of that. My hair being stiff, none of that at all. But hold on, let's look back into it. Oh shit. But thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, make sure you like and comment, and if you enjoy my content, make sure to subscribe. Air horns. But thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.